I am Dionisio Cañete of the Sipares, Cebu City, and my partner in this presentation, Mr. Greg Allen. Of course, you know him very well. He is one of the top knowledgeable fellow in New York, and I think the entire East, as far as the Filipino art of stick fighting is concerned. Of course, there are some belief that the only way you can deliver a very strong and effective punch is by drawing your garrote backward here, then hit it. Many people believe that that is the only way to deliver a very strong punch. We do not dispute that. But with proper training on your twirling, you can deliver just as fast and as strong as when you draw your garrote. So for example here, if he attempts to hit and drawing that back, I can already hit him with a very strong stance because my wrist is developed through the continuous practice of twirl. So you don't need actually to draw back here. If he draws back here,